Guess who's in the house? Tom! Mobile massage!
No, Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise, right here. Son, how was your holiday? I heard you just came back from Perth. Do you want to tell my viewers? My viewers want to say hi to you.
Did you see shark?
Did you see sharks everywhere? I don't like Perth because of the sharks. There's too many. So, can we just tell our viewers why we have a blood pressure monitor all the time? Ready to go? Can you?
Because I eat garlic. I take my blood pressure up.
So we're doing an experiment. Apparently garlic lowers blood pressure. So we're eating garlic and then we're checking it every day to see if it's working.
Yeah,
It's working?
2 months, garlic.
Yeah.
1 clove every month.
By the way, fact, there's a meta-analysis on this. Actually, garlic can lower it by 5 millimeter mercury, actually. How are you feeling, man?
Hey,
No pain, no gain.
So putting a bit of Tiger Balm here. Thank you, Tom. You're doing a great job. Just don't hurt my husband.
damage will be there.
Why? What's damaged? I love this. What is this technique called?
Fiber cross.
Wow, what does it do?
Just release the tension muscle. That's
Right now I'm
You
getting
look-
paralyzed. Not really.
Just concentrate.